introduction video. My name is Jeffrey Aldo Buhoy, 19 years old student here at Agusan del Sur State College of Agriculture and Technology. And I'm proud to introduce myself as a transgender woman. For me, being a transgender woman is not just about identity. It's about courage, growth, and staying true to who I am. And how language and gender intersect in my life. Language and gender intersect in my life in meaningful ways. The words I choose and the way I express myself often reflect how I see my identity and how I want others to see me. Through language, I not only express who I am, but also create space for understanding, respect, and inclusivity. Thank you.